how to choose the right pressure washer for your business.
Today we are going to show you how to choose the right electric pressure washer for your business. We are looking at pressure, flow rate, pump, accessories, packaging, and rear cleaning performance.
Let's talk about the core metrics that determine machine performance: pump, pressure, and flow rate. This machine is equipped with a commercial-grade vertical pump. Unlike standard models, it delivers a robust pressure of up to 140 bar and an ultra-high flow rate of 11 liters per minute. What does this mean for your customers? Significantly higher pressure than market standards instantly removes stubborn industrial dirt, while the enormous flow rate flushes it away immediately.
For business buyers, pressure and flow rate are important, but motor quality, pump durability, accessories, and packaging are also key factors.
At the heart of this machine is a commercial-grade vertical pump equipped with a top-of-the-line water seal and a stainless steel plunger. You will receive a high-pressure water gun, a high-pressure hose, and a full set of quick-connect nozzles. There are absolutely no cheap plastic parts here that will break down in a week. Finally, each machine is securely fastened in a reinforced export carton that has undergone drop testing. We absolutely guarantee that after weeks of rough seas on the cargo ship, your products will arrive at the warehouse in perfect condition, ready to be sold at any time. Specs only matter if they perform on the concrete. We took this out to our factory yard. It easily strips away industrial dust, caked on mud, and vehicle grime. This machine is classified for light commercial use, making it a perfect fit for car washing, farm tours, outdoor service, factory floor cleaning, and light commercial cleaning jobs.
When choosing a pressure washer, don't only look at the price. You should also check the pressure, flow rate, motor, pump, accessories, and factory support. If you want to know more about our Bison cleaning machines, welcome to follow our channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more about our pressure washers, cleaning tests, accessories, packaging, or OEM solutions, please check the recommended video on the end screen. Subscribe to our Bison channel. You will see more machinery videos, factory tests, and product guides.